Ever wondered about the exotic fruits around the world? Buckle up for a flavorful journey that's about to take you through the lush landscapes of Southeast Asia, the dense Amazon rainforest, the sunny Mediterranean, and the rich continent of Africa. Our journey begins in the tropical paradise of Southeast Asia, where we will explore the mystical dragon fruit. This vibrant fruit, with its flamboyant pink skin and speckled flesh, is a feast for the senses. Picture a refreshing dragon fruit smoothie bowl, a symphony of color and flavor that will make your taste buds dance. From Southeast Asia, we journey into the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Here we find the acai berry, a small dark fruit that's big on flavor and health benefits. Imagine a delicious acai bowl, brimming with antioxidants and energy, a true taste of the Amazonian superfood. Next, we journey to the sunny shores of the Mediterranean to meet the pomegranate. This unique fruit, with its tangy flavor and jewel-like seeds, is a delight to the palate. Visualize a vibrant pomegranate salad, where sweet meets savory in a culinary masterpiece. Finally, we arrive at the diverse continent of Africa, home to the sweet baobab fruit. This exotic fruit, with its velvety texture and sweet tart taste, is a staple in African culinary traditions. Picture a traditional baobab smoothie, a refreshing and nutritious treat that embodies the essence of Africa. As we conclude our journey, we hope it has sparked a desire to explore the rich diversity of fruits from around the world. There are so many incredible fruits waiting to be discovered and enjoyed. If this journey has tantalized your taste buds, show your appreciation by liking, subscribing, and sharing your favorite exotic fruit recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and bon appetit!